An Apple lower board. A reballing platform. A reballing stencil. 158 degrees solder paste. Bonding pad preparation. Remove the tin with a soldering iron and solder wick. Clean with PCB cleaner. Blow the pad with an air gun to ensure it is clean and neat. Put the motherboard in the reballing platform. Align stencil in position. Apply solder paste with a non-magnetic knife. Use a paper towel to absorb moisture and keep the paste in specific humidity. Solder paste should not be too wet nor too dry. Gently press the stencil with tweezers. Apply paste where the tweezers go. Gently apply the paste to prevent solder balls from bridging. Don't be in a hurry. Wipe clean with a lint-free cloth. Recommend wiping several times to get small tin spots and a perfect fit. Gently lift the stencil along a corner. Quick 861, 400 degrees, and wind 10. It will blow away the paste if the excessive wind is applied. Heat in one place and blow to melt. Where the tin gets melted, the air gun goes there. Clean with cotton after solder paste balls. Check the ball uniform under the microscope.